Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful part-time jobs that people around the world are using to earn extra income every single month. These jobs are flexible, beginner-friendly, and can be done from home, no big investment needed. You can start them in your free time, after your job, on weekends, or even as a student. All these jobs have the potential to grow into full-time income if you stay consistent. So watch this video till the end, because the last job is the highest earning and can change your financial life. Software developer. Let's start with the first one, software developer. Make websites and apps, fix tech problems, earn $50 to $100 per hour. A software developer is someone who creates mobile apps, builds online tools, or fixes issues in websites and computer programs. The best part is, you don't need a university degree to start. Many successful developers learned using free courses on YouTube, Udemy, or websites like FreeCodeCamp. Once you learn basic skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or app building tools, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Businesses always need someone to fix issues, update code, or create small tools, and they pay very well for it. Work freelance online, build apps and websites, high hourly pay. That's true. Even small tasks like fixing a broken button, adding features, or making small changes can pay $50 to $100 an hour. If you practice for 2 to 3 months, you can easily start earning as a part-time developer. Digital marketer. Next, we have digital marketer, one of the fastest growing online careers. Run social media ads, help businesses grow, earn $500 to $2,000 per month. Digital marketing simply means promoting businesses online. Running Facebook or Instagram ads, creating social media posts, and helping businesses reach more customers. Every company today needs online marketing, restaurants, clothing brands, real estate agents, gyms, online stores, all want someone who can handle their digital presence. Manage online campaigns, grow brands online, flexible part-time job. This is perfect, many businesses don't need a full-time marketer. They want someone part-time to manage their posts, run ads, reply to customers, or grow their account. You can learn basic digital marketing in 1 to 2 months and earn $500 to $2,000 monthly depending on clients. Web developer. Now comes the third one, web developer. Build websites, WordPress/Shopify, add extra features and design, earn $200 to $2,000 per project. This job is perfect for beginners because you don't need coding to start. Platforms like WordPress and Shopify allow you to create professional websites using drag-and-drop tools. Small businesses, online stores, doctors, restaurants, freelancers, all need websites. And they pay very well for it. Create and maintain websites, freelance or part-time, high-paying projects. Many clients also pay monthly for maintenance, updating their website, changing photos, adding products, or fixing issues. Even building one website a month can earn you $500 to $1,000 easily. If you build 2 or 3, your income becomes very strong. Content creator. Fourth on our list is content creator, one of the most popular ways to earn online. Make videos for YouTube/TikTok, share tips, reviews, or fun content, earn $1,000 plus per month. You don't need a fancy camera, just your phone is enough. Choose a topic you like, fitness, cooking, motivation, reviews, travel, daily life, tutorials, anything that people enjoy. Share content and grow followers, engage with audience, part-time or full-time income. Once you start posting consistently, your audience grows. You can earn through YouTube monetization, TikTok promotions, brand deals, affiliate marketing, sponsored content. It takes time, but once it grows, this becomes one of the best side income sources in the world. E-commerce/Amazon seller. And finally, the last one. E-commerce or Amazon seller, the highest earning side hustle in this list. Sell products online, FBA/dropshipping, manage your store from home, earn $500 to $5,000 plus per month. This means you can sell products online without needing a shop. You can start an online store on Amazon, Shopify, Daraz, Etsy, or even Instagram. You can sell anything: accessories, home products, beauty items, gadgets, digital products, or handmade items. Run online business, ship products or dropship, scalable side hustle income. This is very accurate. E-commerce grows fast. You can start small with a few products and scale to thousands of dollars per month. Many people start part-time and later turn e-commerce into a full-time business because the earning potential is huge. So these were the top 5 side income jobs that anyone can start in their free time. All of them are practical, in demand, and have massive earning potential. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support really motivates me to make more helpful videos for you. Thanks for watching, and keep hustling. Your time to earn big starts now.